How to make money using YouTube Shorts. Right now, YouTube Shorts are very popular, not just for promoting long videos, but independently also. For example, I've opened this random short. This short has around 37 million views and it's around 40 seconds long. Now we can't get a clear data of how much money they are making, but we can get a close roundabout. To analyze how much money they are making with 37 million views on their short, I'm gonna use AI. I've chosen ChatGPT to analyze the information. I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT a simple question. By analyzing, it says that they are earning somewhere around $370 to $2,220. Now this much money is a lot comparing to what they are posting right now. If you open the channel to see what they are posting, then you will see that they are not posting anything that takes a lot of time. It's all just already posted video on YouTube. They are downloading the video, adding subtitles and some effects. And just like that, their 40-second short is ready. And all the videos are getting great views. That's all for today. Thank you.